Good morning, everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are. This is Evandro Magalhães again from KUDO. Listen, it's the second time I'm here to actually urge you to meet us on the 28th of March, to actually join us on the 28th of March for the presentation that's going to be made on KUDO, the KUDO Global Stage event by Mila Golovin on Vicarious Trauma. Mila is not just an expert in trauma, but she's a conference interpreter like you and I. So in the course of our long careers as interpreters, we often will be in touch with situations that are traumatic. We're going to hear stuff we wish we could unhear. We're going to see stuff we wish we hadn't seen. So, but even if it's nothing of an extraordinary magnitude, we might still have to cope with the stress on a daily basis. Right? I don't have to tell you how stressful your life can be as an interpreter. I'm sure you can figure that out by yourself. So join us on the 28th of March at 11 a.m. This is a totally free event, but you need to register in advance. So look for the link here somewhere. Make sure to enter your details, and we will be happy to call you on the day, send you a link so that you can join us through KUDO for an event that's going to be interpreted in multiple languages. So don't miss out on this opportunity, and we hope to see as many of you there as we can. Take good care and see you then. Bye-bye.